Hi, this is a 2015 Prius, Toyota Prius, and some people have been getting the check the hybrid system light, and it makes the car somewhat pull over, and you have to check everything. Well, if you pop open that vent in the back seat, as you can see here, this is the one, the seat that you, right here. If you actually pop this thing open, well, voila, look at that vent. It is 100% clogged. And what that vent is the vent for that small battery in the back. It needs to be cooled. Obviously, being a hybrid, everything has heat, and you're supposed to actually change this filter. From my understanding, is a bit of a pain in the ass because it fits kind of weird, and a lot of people buy an alternative, which is just simply pulling that filter right out and then attaching one right onto here. You can get them on Amazon. But anyway, if you're ever kind of wondering what that is, so I'm in the process of vacuuming it, cleaning it out, and see how that works. But anyway, hopefully this explains.